the driving.
Hello,
Get the
guys.
driving. This is rigged.
So, I've been building this lab recently. Not finished. In a while. Might get griefed.
It's not.
Isn't that grief at all?
Yep. Gamble.
I have the gambling. Get the join with the no. I can make you win. Howard. You. How is it rigged? The super killer. This is only connected to the red. Wait, how do I get out? Why did you steal? Wait, can you only get out if someone wins? Yeah.
Alright.
Help.
Press the button. Gamble until they win. Thank you. I did it for. Wait, does someone have a copy paster? Can someone give me a copy paster?
Uh-oh.
Guys, make us win! I won 2 more times.
Dude, what's in here? Dude, what's in here? Dude, what's in here now? Dude, what's in here?
This is mine!
In my basement full of little kids.
Guys, I think you always win.
Nerd. Guys, who wants to your death?
Dude, what's
Ready,
in here?
set,
It doesn't work.
death time.
I broke it.
Can someone give me a copy paster? I'll open it. Don't worry.
What's in here now?
Who has a copy paster?
Wait, who can give me a trapped block?
Real look. Do you have a copy paster? Someone? Anyone?
Wait, Dad.
Right, broke the machine.
Oh, I see what it does.
Oh, look, I broke. Look, break
It's
in.
not broken. It's just you.
Oh.
Hey, once you go in my hazmat area, isn't it? Look, ready?
Nah, dude,
Do you own the trapped blocks?
they're basically
Do you
know
own
how to get the green key. I know how to get the green keys.
Do you own the trapped blocks?
The trapped blocks.
Come here.
Nah, I'm breaking in.
Alright, I'm coming. Fix it!
To the
Make
tech
it so
lab.
it only wins!
Let me. I'm breaking in.
Really hard.
Break.
I thought there was radiation.
I rigged it so it only wins.
Oh my god, that's a lot of
Lol, I rigged your machine. Let me out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, bro, sorry I rigged your machine, now I'm going.
Oh my god, this is a lot of
It'll
radiation.
grow back. Well, it'll grow back. It'll grow back.
Wait, did I do?
Radioactive. Ha ha ha. Now you're radioactive. At the park. Right, they're gonna park,
Alright,
by the way,
guys.
guys. So don't destroy my parking spot. Oh, I got it! I did it!
Alright, guys. I have a new creation. I call it the Gambler.
Nothing in there.
No,
So,
let's go see
what it does
Take that.
is that each lighting block has a corresponnding color and two
Okay.
rows, and they're both identical. And this one has a randomizer.
I
And if you
definitely
get the
did not
exact same
steal from
combination
someone
on both sides,
to
so
make
if I got
this.
red and blue and the red
but
and
this
blue,
will
you
be
would win
worth
big.
I think it's broken.
And this is how you lose your house, and this is losing your house in style.
Did you just hack me?
Yes, I hacked it.
Does anyone want to try?
Let me
out
hack that as well.
my new
Let me hack
machine?
it.
Does anyone want to try out?
It's
my,
not even finished.
My super
Yeah, I
cool
can just hack your machines.
I can't just my gambling machine.
Well, I can just hack your
This
machines.
machine is broken.
Your gambling machine
Yeah,
sucks.
it's this kid. He keeps
Okay,
freaking.
so the idea
Wait, is it
is that
you?
if you press this button and get
No.
the same lights on each row, then you win a jackpot.
Fix it.
I just did
Oh
it.
wait, you were the person that gave me the lucky block.
Ow! Jesus Christ!
Broke it. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can win. Aw, guys.
I'm rigging it. Rig.
It is you! It's this kid! He keeps freaking breaking the machine. There's someone
me the key.
Keep going.
Give me his key. Give me his key. Let me give me his key.
Now my machine automatic.
Oh,
I like gambling. Who can tell me how to make this go on and on?
Stop pressing the
How many
buttons.
keys again? Are you ready?
Why did he make this? I don't like
No.
that. Alright, let's try it. Let's try gambling. Oh, okay. One more time.
Wait, guys, I can fix this. I
Okay.
can fix this.
Wait, but that's not even.
Can I gamble?
Wait a minute.
Now bomb me again. Now bomb me again, kid. Bomb me again.
I charged this with
Nah, kid,
radiation.
I'm
Put these
following you.
two.
Charged this with radiation.
Now bomb me again.
Oh, did I win?
Bomb me again. I dare you.
I'm trying to get.
Yes, I did it.
Oh, you were almost right. You almost right.
No, it was the complete opposite.
Oh.
Those two work hard. Wait, you can
This is
see
one of my best
by
creations
looking at
yet.
the
This
back
is my
of
best
them.
creation. Whoa, so close. So close.
He's rizzing right now.